Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today, what we are doing is the only unbiased and fair side-by-side comparison of the GoPro Hero 8 and the DJI Osmo Action. Now, I waited a really long time, but I finally got a really good deal on an Osmo Action, and now I'm finally able to compare these two. And I really get tired of seeing people just go down on GoPro because they want to get free cameras or keep their sponsorship or keep them happy, and they will tweak the settings for the Osmo Action or the GoPro to make it look better or worse to whichever camera maker that they're trying to support and wants to support them. So I'm going to do my own comparison side by side, completely unbiased. I'm a hobo YouTuber. I don't have any sponsors, so I have nothing to lose at this point. And also, we're not going to use any microphones whatsoever. It's all going to be internal mics, and we will be switching back and forth between the audio on each camera throughout so you can hear how they sound. Are you ready? Let's get to it. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be cutting the grass up at this preschool daycare. I'm just going to shoot some B-roll, and we're going to test all kind of different attributes of these cameras through cutting the grass here. And the reason why I chose this is because this is some of the roughest turf that you can ever ride on. It's like, after I cut the grass here, it's like I've been kidney punched 2,000 times. And I figured, what better way to see which one is more stable than to put it on a zero-turn lawnmower like this one. Okay, so the first test is going to be the weed whacker test, and I do want to reiterate that both cameras are set at 4K, 60 frames a second, no special settings, internal microphones, just like you would use them straight out of the box, as if you didn't know what you were doing, you bought it and you turned it on. Let's get this thing fired up. Okay, so now it's going to be time for the stability test on the mower. I'm going to go ahead and make a loop real quick around this retention pond so you can see how bouncy it is, and then I'll stop and pick the camera up and make another loop, and we'll see which one does the best job of stabilizing. Let's get right to it. Okay, so it's pretty bouncy. So now what I'm going to do is take the camera and put it on the mower itself. I don't know how I'm going to hold the camera and drive with two hands, but we're going to give it our best shot, and let's see how well it does. Okay, we're on the mower, let's go! Okay, I'm gonna call this the walking vlog test. If you've watched my channel before, you know I'm about as graceful as a three-legged goat. No such thing as a ninja walk here. How is it handling me tromping across the yard, or I'm gonna say around the retention pond? How are the mics doing? I got a little bit of a breeze. Which one's got the most wind noise? I'm gonna let you just soak it in for a second. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up. I'm gonna do a time lapse with both cameras while I finish cutting this retention pond here. And we'll see what the time lapses look like, just because. Not that I really care about the time lapse, but maybe you do. Let's go ahead and get it done. Okay, so I suspect that will be enough lawn care footage to see which camera is more stable, which one has more beautiful, lifelike colors. I use the standard color profile on the Osmo Action, and on the GoPro I use GoPro Color. No special settings, no special shutter speeds, just how you would use them right out of the box. And with this little breeze, we'll definitely find out which one has better wind noise canceling. And I think we'll take one more view of Lake Mary. And the wind's blowing pretty good, as you can see. But just drop a comment down below which one you think looks better, and if you think the Osmo Action is still viable in 2021. I don't have a GoPro 9 to compare it to, but I think the Osmo Action and what I've seen is probably better than the 9 as well. But if you want to find that out, somebody can just send me a GoPro 9. I'll do a side-by-side comparison, ship it right back to you, no problem. But I'm not going to go spend $450 on one for a review. With all that being said, I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.